In this video, we talk about some magic methods which are also called Dunder Methods. These are the special methods which starts and end with double underscore. Okay, and now in this video, I tell you which magic method you must know if you want to learn object-oriented programming. It is very important. So now please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. And please, if you not access my Python playlist, so please access it. And if you not bookmark it, then bookmark it. And if you not, hit the subscribe button and subscribe it and all the notification bell. And if you give you 1 to 100 dedicate this, so you will be learn Python very easily and very fast. Okay, and this is this video, like I have told you, magic Dunder method I will be telling you. And now I will be not take a long time, and this is a day. We will be complete. This is a day 71. We will complete the day 70. Okay, and now I will be not take a long time. So now let's start the video and see what are magic Dunder methods. And this video, there is no code I will be doing because I will be only telling you what are magic Dunder methods. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. Hello. So like I am telling you, in today's video I will be telling you magic Dunder methods in Python. So what are that? These are special methods that you can define in your classes, and when invoke it, they give you a powerful way to manipulate objects and their behavior. Magic methods. Magic methods also known as dunders. Okay, magic method also known as dunders from the double underscores with a double underscores. Okay, surrounding their names are powerful tools. Surrounding our name, they are a very powerful tools that allow you to customize the behavior of your classes. Like customize the behavior of your classes, they are used to implement special methods. They are used to implement special methods like such as addition or subtraction and completion and operators, as well as some more. Okay, advanced techniques. Now let me tell you advanced techniques like descriptors and properties. Let's take a look at some of the most commonly used magic methods in Python. We will look at magic method commonly used in magic method. How commonly method is used in magic method in Python. Now there is first method is come by the name of init method. What is init method? Like I will tell you, like here I will be hashtag and init method. Okay, the init method is a special method. It is very special method that is automatically invoked when you create. It will automatically invoke it. Okay, when you create a new instance of a class. Okay, and this method is responsible. This method is responsible for setting up the objects. It is very responsible for the setting of the objects in final states, and it is where you wouldn't typically define any instance variable that you need, and this is also called the constructors. Constructor. We have discussed this method already. This method we will already discuss it. Okay. So now we will come to the second method by the name of str and repr methods. Okay. The str and repr methods are both used to convert an object. Str, like I will tell you, this str and repr method was to convert object to a string represented representation. The str and array method are used to convert an object to a string representation. Okay, the str method is used when you want to print out an object. The str method is used when you want to print any out an object, any object. Okay, while the repr method the repr method is used when you want to get a string representation of an object that can be used to recreate the object. So now I hope you can understand what are str and repr method and init method. Now let's come to the len method. The len method, now first of all we will be right here hashtag len method. Now let's come to the len method. The len method is used to get length of an object. This is used. The len method is used to get the length of an object, any object. Okay, this is a useful when you want to be able to find the size of a data structure such as a list or dictionary. Okay, so now I hope you will be understand what are len method. Now let me come to the call method. Now call method, what are call method? Let me tell you. Okay, just wait. Now the call method is used to make an object callable, meaning that you can pass it as a parameter to function and it will be executed when the function is called. It will be executed when the function is called. This is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to create an object that behave like functions. Okay, so there are four methods into the magic method in commonly used. I will tell you, let's take a look at some of the commonly used in magic method. There are four methods commonly used in magic methods. Okay, like I will tell you, there's four methods, and now we come to these are just a few of the many magic methods available in Python. There are many magic methods are available, but I will be telling you common that are used in magic method common. Okay, so I will be telling you, but there are many available. Like I have told you, these are just a few of the many magic methods available in Python. There are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to customize the behavior of your object and can make your code much cleaner, very much cleaner. Okay, and easier to understand. So if you are looking for a way to take your Python code to the next level, take some time to learn about these magic methods. If you your Python code to the next level, you will be go to the next level of Python. So you will give a little bit time and learn this magic methods. Okay, and now I hope you can enjoy this class. Like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And if you not go, please first of all go to the YouTube, search here by my channel name by the name of 4th Way PK, and go here, subscribe it and all the notification bell, and then go to the playlist and go to my Python tutorial playlist, and please bookmark it and access this playlist and like my video and share from here. And now here you will be share and comment me and tell me what I will be uploading a big video also, so you tell me about what type of big video I will be uploaded and see this all my videos of Python. So I will meet you in next class of Python or a big project like clone. So I will meet you next class of Python or clone. So for today, goodbye.